Here we go again. Anybody who knows me at all knows that nobody knows me at all. Hey everybody, let's all take a peek at the tall purple freak. She's the jerk with the joke of the week. Who needs it? Well, maybe I know they need me to pretend it's a joke, it's a game till the end. Something tells me we're all gonna die. Even worse, we'll survive, and it knocks at the back of my mind. I hear the knocking almost everywhere. Sick of pretending that I'm unaware. Hate to admit it, but I'm getting scared. Oh, knock, knock, who cares? Never gonna catch me acting scared. Oh, don't cry, don't scream. Cool as can be, try to stop me if you dare. Knock, knock, who cares? Oh, knock, knock, who cares? I'm never ever gonna make friends again. What's the point when I'm just gonna end? And by the way, they're annoying at best, and at worst they're depressed and surrounded by idiots. Who needs them? And let's pretend that I care, which indulge I would help if I could, but I won't. Cause something tells me we're all gonna die. Even worse, we'll survive, and it knocks at the back of my mind. I hear the knocking almost everywhere. Sick of pretending that I'm unaware. Hate to admit it, but I'm getting scared. Oh, knock, knock, who cares? Never gonna catch me acting scared. Oh, don't cry, don't scream. Cool as can be, try to stop me if you dare. Knock, knock, who cares? Oh, knock, knock, who cares? Calm down, you're fine. This is all in your mind. Cruel jokes can hide the feelings building inside. They're not your friends, you don't care about them. You don't need to pretend, soon it's all gonna end. You've seen it happen again and again and again and again and again. Knock, knock, who's there? Knock, knock, who cares?